Hi everybody and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I will show you how to fix not working reply swipe on your Instagram on your iPhone. If you're new to this channel, please give it a like and click the subscribe button. Now, let's get started. This swipe reply problem can be seen on your direct messages. Now, let's go to our direct messages and let's click one DM from my friend here. The first thing you need to do is to check if you are on Instagram vanish mode. To do that, just swipe the conversation up and then release to turn into vanish mode. Because in this mode, swipe reply does not work. So let's go back to the normal mode. This swipe reply feature is only available on Instagram apps that are updated. So you must check if your Instagram app is updated. Now, go to your App Store and search for Instagram and click Update if there is an update. Once updated, go back to your direct messages and try the swipe reply. If it still does not work, try offloading your Instagram app. Go to your settings and search for Instagram, storage, and then offload the app. Now, go back to your Instagram and try if you can now do the reply swipe feature. In direct messages conversation, you can just simply type a reply and then send, or long press a bubble and click reply. But here, in this new feature, you can swipe right and just quickly reply. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If this video helped you, please don't forget to leave a like and subscribe to this channel. See you on the next one.